you going, baby? Where are you going? Okay, I took him to multiple locations to see if he will enjoy the outdoor, and he keep going and hiding. So, okay, he's still shy, but he's doing really well. I hope you like the new day about the baby that I found outdoor. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting our channel. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, baby. Baby, say bye. Baby, bye, guys. Bye-bye. Oh. Oh my God, look at how far he goes. Here you go, baby. Come. Hey, baby. He's so cute. Where you going, baby? Come on, let's go home. Oh, you looking for mommy? You looking for your mommy? Oh. Where you going? Oh my God, look at how funny. Where you going, baby? Hey, baby. Baby, where you going? I think he's trying to explore the outdoor. Hey, baby. Oh, where you going, baby? Oh my God. Where are you going? Hey, where you going? Why are you going inside there? Come on, let's go home. Yeah, I took him to multiple locations. All he's trying to was go away and hide. Come, baby, let's go home. Let's go home, baby. It's okay, baby. Why are you trying to go away? Stay with mommy. I'm gonna take good care of you. Oh my God. Ooh, where are you going, baby? Where are you going? Oh my God. Wow, you're going down? Oh, you went down. Oh my God, there you go. Come, baby. He tried to hi, guys. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. I'm on top of the mountain. Then outside. Then getting some sun. Then I'm doing so good. It is a little bit windy, so I'm gonna go inside.